Hi, my name is Claudine Ubina. You can call me Cloud. I live in Anunang, Midsayap, Cotabato. People here is Bisaya, Ilonggo, and Manubo. My place is peaceful, united, and beautiful. My father is Bienvenido Ubina and my mother is Trinidad Ubina. I have 8 siblings, 4 brothers and 4 sisters. My family is simple and not financially stable. I graduated at Eileen College of Science and Technology. Eileen College of Science and Technology, your school, your home, and your future. They created space where students and staff feel a deep sense of belonging, purpose, and hope a brighter future. My course is Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Financial Management. I chose this course because I want to learn how to manage a business and more job opportunities. My expectation in this course is more challenges and hopefully it will help me in the future. I enrolled at Southern Christian College because they provide a quality education. My cousins was recommended to enroll at Southern Christian College and also my friends was enrolled here. Southern Christian College can give me a brighter future and more knowledge that I will apply in the future. My goal in life is to finish my degree and to be a successful businesswoman. I will achieve it through faith, God, and the support of my family. The possible hindrance that I will face towards the achievement of my goal is the financial problem. I see myself 10 years from now as a strong, independent, and happy for whatever I have achieved in life with my family. And that's it. Thank you. Hi guys, welcome to my hometown. First, gusto na ko ipakita sa inyo ang amo ang health center diri sa Anunang. Ug karon palakaw na pud ta sa atong multi-purpose building. Makita ninyo guys kung unsa kanindot ug kadako ang barangay hall diri sa barangay Anunang ug dako na gyud kaayo ang improvement. Mao ni ang court sa barangay Anunang. Diri ginahimo ang activities ug mga events sa barangay. Ug karon humanata sa barangay hall diri sa Anunang, karon ipakita nako sa inyo kung asa ko naghuman og elementary ug asa pud nabuo ang akong childhood memories, which is diri sa Anunang Elementary School. Ug mao ni ang entrance pasulod sa eskwelahan. Mao ni ang area sa mga rooms gikan kinder hangtod grade 3 ug makita ninyo na dako gyud ang field ug dako na pud kaayo ang improvement. Kanin area diri pod ang mga rooms sa grade 4 hangtod grade 6. Dili lang elementary ang naa sa barangay Anunang kundi naapod sila high school, which is ang Juan Delio Memorial High School. Welcome to Alexandra Resort. Mao ni ang nag-iisang tourist spot diri sa Barangay Anunang na makita ninyo sa Purok 5. Pagsulod ninyo, makita ninyo kung unsa kanindot o grabe ka refreshing ang lugar. Maka-chill gid mo og maayo.